Magnetic effect of electric current. We have learned about heating effect of electric current. What is heating effect of electric current? When electric current is supplied to a purely resistive conductor, the energy of electric current is dissipated entirely in the form of heat. As a result, resistor get heated. The heating of resistor because of dissipation of electrical energy is commonly known as heating effect of electric current. In previous standards, we have studied about magnets and magnetic line of force. Magnet means a material which is able to attract another material. And what are magnetic lines of force? Curved lines used to represent a magnetic field drawn such that the number of lines related to the magnetic field strength at a given point and the tangents of any curve at that particular point along the direction of magnetic force at that point is known as the magnetic lines of force. However, it is interesting to see if an electric current and magnetic field are related to each other. A magnet is a material that produces a field that attracts or repels other material in magnetic nature. Lodestone is a naturally occurring magnet. Magnet has three basic properties, that is attractive property, repulsive property and directive property. Attractive property means magnets attract ferromagnetic materials like iron, cobalt and nickel. Repulsive property like magnetic poles repel each other and unlike magnetic poles attract each other. Directive property means a freely suspended magnet always point in a north-south direction. And magnet is always bipolar, named as North Pole and South Pole. Magnetic effect of current. The term magnetic effect of electric current means that an electric current flowing in a wire produces a magnetic field around it. The region surrounding a magnet in which the force of magnet can be detected is said to have a magnetic field. The magnetic field of electric current is known as electromagnetic effect. It is observed that when a compass is brought near a current carrying conductor, the needle of the compass gets deflected because of the flow of electricity. This shows that electric current produces a magnetic effect. Connect the circuit as shown in figure. Connect a copper wire thicker and straighter as compared to the connecting wires between A and B. Keep a magnetic needle adjacent to the wire. Keep the plug key open in the circuit and observe the direction of the needle. Close the plug key and observe the direction of the needle. What do you notice? Now interchange the connecting wires connected to the cell and observe the direction of the magnet needle. Do you notice any relation between the direction of current and the position of the needle? Here in the circuit we can see that there is a north-south representation of the needle and there is a deflection towards the west when the circuit is moving from positive to the negative terminal. So this is the flow of current. So here it is moving towards the west direction. Whereas when the circuit is reversed, that is the opposite direction, the needle goes into the east direction. So according to the flow of current, the direction of the magnetic field will change.